Daniel, can you make me a project of some animated words? Is that going to be possible?
Yeah, I can get started on that as soon as possible.
It is? Thanks. Can you have that to me by the end of the week?
I just got to get back to work for a few minutes. Then I can go film some stuff.
Great. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.
One day later.
How should I do this? I don't know. God.
A few days later. Hey, did you get that project done for me, Daniel?
Yeah, I got everything. It was pretty easy and pretty fun.
Thanks. This isn't what I wanted, Daniel. I wanted animated words, not animated birds.
Oh, I thought you said animated birds. My bad. You know, what we have here is a failure to communicate.
Are you gonna fix it for me? Like, honestly.
No, words are stupid. Bye.